Hi, so I have just set up Neovim on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and what I've done is I have taken the setup for Neovim from Neural 9, and I just copied the configuration, but I made few changes that I wanted to mention before you install anything on this on Termux. So first of all, you need to install curl and git, of course, but there are few changes that are there. One more thing, when you install Vim plugin, you can copy this and you can paste it on your terminal. But one thing you need to know that there are some differences. So when you see this, everything is there in .config.nvim. So, but you'll not be able to see the plugins folder. So you might wonder where that is. That will be in .local share nvim, and if you do an ls, you'll see, the plugged folder that is there. So if you go to you can see all the files here. So whatever plugins you have installed, it's here. So that's the workaround. That's a workaround that I did. So what you need to do here is you just need to make a little bit change. Config and nvim and nvim init vim. So what you need to do here is just paste this std path and just copy the location of that plugged folder. So after that, everything will work fine. So so that's it. So what I'll do now is I'll try to install Django and virtual environment, and I'll try to see if everything works fine on my tablet. So let's check it out. So first I'll install virtual environment. So let's see if it works. Install virtual env. Python. Okay, wait a second. I think Python 3 was not installed, so I'll just, okay, it's installed. Pip, okay, Python works. I don't know. So okay, I think I made there was a spelling mistake, so my bad. So we have just installed the virtual environment here. So what I'll do now is I'll go to the folder, and what I'll do is I will create one more folder, a project folder. And I will create virtual environment. So okay, the project is created. So let's activate it. Source slash bin slash. Okay, so we have the virtual environment up and running. So I'll just install Django now. So pip install Django. Let's see it works. Okay, so it's working. So what I'll do now is just check Django admin. Okay. Oh, this is a spelling mistake. Okay, so it's working fine. So what I'll do now is I'll create an app. So let's begin. So project. Okay, let's check out the folder. Okay, we have created one folder. So if we go inside site 1, okay, we have two things, manage.py. So what we can do, Python 3 manage py. I'm just checking if everything works. Okay, so what I can do now is I'll just run the server. Let's just check if I can create a super user or not. So 3 manage py super user, leave blank. Password is, oh oops, I think I made a mistake. Okay, let's just create a super user again. Let's just say user1, email address, password, I'll just type it anything. Okay, okay, project super user created successfully. So what I'll do now is I'll just run the server. Run server 0.0.0. Oh, I think I should check the settings file as well. That's there in my site. If we take a look at it, okay, I should use Neovim now. Okay, so loud host. So we haven't hosted this on any cloud server, so I'll be broadcasting this on the local host. So let me just close it. Okay, I can exit out of the Vim. So let's go back to the directory and let's just run it. Python 3 manage server ports. Okay, let's see if it runs. Okay, let's just check the local host now. Okay, okay, it's running fine. So this shows that everything is running perfectly. So my major goal was to develop REST APIs on my tablet. So So this is working perfectly here, so I'll take a next steps and I'll try to develop something on this. And as you can see, it's working fine, everything is working fine on Termux, and I don't see any problem here. So what I'll do is I'll try to set up everything and I'll upload more videos as I get the time and if I do something. So thanks for watching.